Morning, guys. It's time to go back to the Rock. That's right, we're racing at Rockingham today. If my eyes look as red as the devil's dick, is because they are. Last night at 9 p.m. ish, we got back from the tail of the dragon, and at 6 a.m. today, I'd even unload actually. The trailer, the Golf R has been just in the trailer. I didn't even unload anything. Took a shower, went to bed, woke right back up. And here we are on our way to the second Autocross of the season. Historically, Rockingham, for some reason, I think I've won here once or twice. Hopefully, it goes better today. I'm honestly so beat. If it goes really well, I might do the pompous thing and just do a one and done and collect some points and call it a day. I planned for this, but I kind of regret it. I think I'd much rather have just been sleeping right now. But here we go. Gotta keep fighting for that championship, even though it's only round 2. You know, people keep asking me, why are you towing a stock Golf R around? Well, there's a few reasons, and they're pretty simple. One is I already have the trailer and the truck to do it. 2, I haven't had the alignment done, so I don't want to destroy the tires. And 3, I'm getting old. You know, the comfort's nice. It's nice to ride in the truck and not worry. I just pop it in the trailer and tow away. So those are my 3 reasons. Then it kind of looks cool. I have a pretty cool trailer, so I'm pretty happy with that. There'll be future videos. We're going to redo this whole interior on it too. So we had a random temperature drop. I had to bust out this. Luckily I had this in my truck. It was supposed to be really hot today. And then there's some storm coming through. It hasn't rained, but it's cloudy, as you could tell, out there. And there's the course, look at that. But it's not as much as it's cold. It's in the mid-60s. It's this wind that's brutal. So we'll see how that translates to tire temps. But we're the last run group, so it's time to go. All right, first run. No novice in the car on this one, which is the first in a while, which is fine. I have to aim probably for like 45 on the first one to even be competitive. We'll see. It's gonna be tough. I don't have the power for such a big track. Me in the mix to be able to bring it down. Definitely the first part was slidey, cool tires.
order to pair a new phone, follow the instructions in the phone menu of your car.
Goddamn button. Run was good, but there was no display. I don't know if it's going to be a rerun or if it's going to be just wait and see. Timing board's been having issues all day with this wind. Alright, the time didn't display, but it was a 44.811. In second by 2/10, so I was in first of the first run. These turnarounds are what's killing me, so I got to figure out maybe I'll drop it to first, but I prefer not to jam the car in the first gear on the turnaround, but I might have to do that to find more time, because the rest of it feels pretty good. Seemed like I made many mistakes. Who knows? So we left that one on a bit of a cliffhanger, but not really intentionally. There was timing issues. Well, timing not really, but there was issues with the timing board. So I had to wait till live timing refreshed, and that last run was a 44 flat, which was good enough for first place by actually a decent margin. So I cleaned it up some. There's definitely more time left extract out of the car, but I'm not going to complain. I got to focus my energy on these early events solely because the schedule for this year is a little bit wonky and it's not all secured yet. So I don't know if I'm going to end up missing some events throughout the year. So definitely if I could build some kind of a buffer in the first few events, that's always good. So right now we're in the lead of the championship. Obviously this is 2 events in. I gotta try to nurse my tires as long as possible because replacement tires, for whatever reason, are on back order currently. So we'll see. Plus, I don't want to spend the money on tires. It's like every couple of years I have to buy a set of tires, and that gets expensive, especially for something like effectively parking lot racing. But so far, the suspension on the R is doing great. I still have to get it aligned. I don't know if I'll have time before the next event, but the next one is at NC Car. So again, another high-speed course. Sounds weird with being a Golf R owner, which is obviously more powerful than GTIs and things like that. But in this class, pretty much every car is tuned, and mine is not. So I'm actually down on power. And NC Car, historically, the course is always set up where I end up running out of gear, and then I'm stuck in this weird limbo of do I go into third and risk having to do another downshift or another upshift. it always works out that way that I'm sitting and bouncing off the rev limiter in second like an idiot, or I go into third and then have to worry about trying to get a downshift back in to second eventually. We'll see how the course is going to be laid out. This course was really fun. I really enjoyed it. It was very tiring of an event, solely because we were just at the tail of the dragon and then turned around as soon as we got back home, turned around and went to the Autocross. Granted, it was fun. The car did well. It definitely deserves a break, an oil change, and some prep for the next event. We'll still run it in this current setup. I do plan on doing stuff throughout the season. So next on the agenda will probably be wheels, tires, and maybe some brake pad upgrade. And then after that, we'll work our way up to adding more power to the car. So we're still very early in the season, but yeah, next video is going to be something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing any autocross in the next one, surprisingly. And yeah, I'm going to try to bring some more variety, but I'm doing this anyway, so it's easy to get this on video for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.